Yes, I have just started a new YouTube channel today, and I believe if you're watching this video, maybe you also just started to create your channel, or you just recently posted some videos for your channel, and you might be wondering how to start a new YouTube channel, and you're also wondering, are you going to get more views and subscribers? So you're not alone. I actually started to create my new channel yesterday, and this is my very first video talking about creating a new YouTube channel, because I believe there are many content creator who just started also to post a video on their channels, and they are really looking forward to grow their channel and become successful in YouTube. Of course, if we are just new in YouTube creation, we might wonder that, are we already late in the game? There are so many content creators who have accumulated more than million of subscribers, and sometimes we feel like, am I really good in creating a video, and are there any viewers who might get interested in my content? So of course these questions always comes into our mind, and unfortunately some of the content creators are getting disappointed whenever they don't see any views and subscribers to their channel from the beginning. And I've watched some of the success stories also from other content creators that when they started, almost no one really watched their videos, and it comes to some point that they want to quit posting videos, because it's very frustrating if you just recently created a channel and then you post a video, and if after you come back, let's say after a few days, there's even, I mean, you're only the one who actually watched your video. So I am sharing this video to you so that you feel that you're not alone. There's so many challenges that we might encounter in our YouTube journey. So today, again, this is my first video, and if you also just recently created your video, we can do this together. I have committed to myself that at least I will create or post a video regularly, because most of the content creators have the same advice that you should post any contents or videos on your channel regularly, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to find your contents and try to understand who are your potential audience. From the beginning, we might wonder what kind of content I'm going to post, and is there any really strong niche that could help my channel grow. So from the tips of successful YouTube creators, we really don't need to have a specific niche from the beginning, because we are trying to still navigate what are the good ideas that we could post in YouTube. And as long as the content that we are making is based on what we know, what we feel that is very interesting and could have or could get some interest from audience, and we love those kind of topics, and we should pursue and continue to create those contents, because I believe the reason why some of the beginners are actually quitting in YouTube is because they feel like they're forcing their self to create a content that even they don't like the content, or they don't feel like creating those contents because it's not their own interest of the topic. So if you think you have some good stories or contents that you love, like from your passion, like whatever it is, cooking, sharing some knowledge on technologies, sharing your personal experience like learning a language, there's so many topics that we can actually create and share to the world. So you have to find that. What are the things that you really love, that you think the world will be interested to? Follow your channel and see how it relates with their own world, right? So every content creator in YouTube has their own world. Like in this channel, this is my world. You may find some of my videos in the future and realize that, okay, this is what he loves, and this information that he is sharing is valuable to a specific audience. So just for your information, I have created this channel with focus on investments, stocks, ETFs, and the main goal why I have created this channel is to share some of the information about investing in strategy in my own portfolio, and to help some of the audience understand how stocks investing works and what are potential stocks that they could invest and help them grow their portfolio, and finally retire early. So that's the main goal of this channel. So let me know, guys, what's the main goal of your channel? Why did you create your channel? What's the purpose of your channel? I think that's the most important that we should first realize, and then grow your channel with that specific goal, with that specific purpose of the channel. So along the journey in your content creation, and it's very surprising that after a few days or weeks, and somehow you notice that maybe some of your videos will get some views or even get subscribers, that's already a success. That means whatever content that you are posting in your channel somehow get some interest from individual who might have the same situation as you, or interested to learn more about your passion. So share your channel name, guys. What's the name of your channel? If you just created it recently, what's the goal of your channel? And I will definitely become one of your subscribers. So I will give you some updates of my YouTube channel, and together let's grow and help motivate not only you, myself, and the new or the beginners in the YouTube content creation, so that we can motivate and keep our channel moving. So again, this is my first video in this channel talking about starting the new YouTube channel. So it's not perfect. I don't have any animations that added in this video, and maybe I'll try to learn some of the tools and enhance my videos. So tell your stories, guys. I would love to hear some of the success stories, maybe after weeks or months when you watch this video and you also just created your new channel. Again, please share the name of your channel, and I will definitely become one of your subscribers, and I will follow your journey. If you are also interested in my channel, please feel free to follow and subscribe, so that together we can see how we grow. So I think the main message is that don't think that you are late in the game. Don't compare yourself with other content creators. And it's never too late for doing something that is very interesting and you think you can share your passion. We are not competing with other content creators. We are one of them who are also looking forward for a successful channel with our own unique passion and world. At some point, we will have a group of subscribers who are interested to follow the passion and videos that we are sharing, and willing to be a part of our journey. So please continue to post videos. Don't think of quitting because no one watch your videos. At least you know that you are sharing your own world through this channel. So thank you very much for watching. I hope to see your YouTube channel in this video's comment, and you will see me subscribing in your channel as well. And I am really happy to hear more about your channels and the progress of your channel. So let's get started the journey for the YouTube content creation. I hope everyone is doing great. Let's get motivated and start the journey in YouTube world. Thank you very much for watching, guys. God bless.